Today we're making homemade potato salad. First we cut up some celery, some onion, and we put in some relish. And we're doing a very big batch. Next we're going to put in the potatoes. Now we're adding the seasonings and the liquids or sauces, whatever, salt, and that's peak Himalayan salt, and then pepper, we don't use any sea salt or in any of our cooking, mustard, and real mayonnaise, not Miracle Whip. Now we gotta stir this up and see where we're at and see if anything else needs to be added. And we got all that good stuff down at the bottom. This is a big batch of potato salad. We got a bunch of potatoes, so we decided to make a big batch because we like potato salad here, and it's starting to get warm out, and it's nice to have some summer salads with your meals instead of hot foods. So we've got it at a good consistency with the mayonnaise, but we were adding a little bit more mustard, pepper, and some Sop Your Mama to just kind of enhance some of the other flavors and get a good mixture. All right, we found the right flavoring and consistency, but everybody knows that after it sits in the refrigerator for a little bit and sets, it's always going to be a little bit better. So now we're going to package it up into some containers and put it in the fridge so we can use it for some different meals and snacks. And now we have a whole bunch of potato salad to last us a while.
2 days.
A little while. Who knows? There's us, and then there's the little one, and she likes potato salad too, so yeah, who knows? So, all right.